Isa daw? Ticket? Isa? What? Ticket? Where's the ticket? Passport?
We go there. That friend. We go there.
We go there now. This one?
แก้วได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ Next pier ท่าช้าง N9 Alight Pier 4 The Grand Palace and the Temple of Emerald Buddha 大皇宫 For passengers alighting here please stand by at the exit โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
ตาชาตาชา We are in Tachang. Tachang. Gani. Tachang. Okay. Morning sa Grand Palace?
Oh.
Okay. Ha?
Katong direction nga giingon. Information.
Unsa nga direction? Ay, katoy mo ha. Katong direction mo. Katong paper, katong ingon ni kuya.
Okay, ako nasa mo cellphone.
Ay, ito okay.
Saan na kapag return? Ano dito?
Bakit tayo ng information?
Ano may information? Panhaw? Panhaw? Sama, bisan-bisan? Family business? Panhaw? Nasi, diri. Tanan na lang ta.
No information mo na po. Hindiว่าเกินไปเข้าใจว่า60,000นะมันแสน
Mo man siguro ni.
I have 14 market. How many people? นี่ 14 market. ใครอ่ะแบบเราด่วนขึ้นมา
โอเค
เนี่ย floating market go by long tail boat to floating market stop 30 minutes and see around the canal come back total 1.5 hours one stop
How long?
1.5 hours
1.5
get off 30 minutes I discount you 30% 30% discount
No, stop.
กดเดี๋ยวไปออน
Mahal po siya eh.
You want stop or no stop? Stop floating market stop floating market go 1.5 hours I discount you 40% left 40%
One stop or no stop? One stop at one stop.
Floating market.
Start from here. You see the Klong Canal sightseeing. You see the Big Buddha. Stop floating market, and you see the Wat Alone. Come back 1.5 hours.
Come back here.
Yeah. You not come back here. Back to hotel. I send you free. Not come back here. Up to you.
Up to
you. You come back here or back to hotel. I send you free.
Explore sa tatin.
Okay, we will check.
We think about
How much will you
I give for you this 1 hour. Discount 40%.
Yes.
This one 900 baht.
1 hour non-stop, 1.5 hours stop floating market. I discount you 40%. I have to put. Yes, stop floating market 30 minutes.
per person.
Ticket one by one.
900 per
person.
Per person?
Per person.
Oh.
I thought 1.5 for 5 of us.
No, 1.5 per
ticket
person.
one by one. Ticket one by one, and I discount you 40%.
Yeah.
So 901.
Yes, 901.
One person.
One person. One person. Ticket one by one. If you discount 20%, you go 1.5 hour.
50 na natuloy.
1.5 hour.
Mo man eh yung package.
Discount.
Haman dito ang ano market. Ito na yung mga tanan dito sa ano. Floating market. Tara.
Stop putting market 14.
Tara. Mo. Dagana na niya discount oy. 90% na lang na oy. Na siya boat. I have the boat. Tachang stop.
Katunin pa rin atong ko. Din kita sa Grand Palace.
Ay mo ni kauban no.
Kauban na.
Tunnel. Oh, gate 2. Gate 2.
Tanap ko po currency exchange po. Kaya wala ko sa
Asang tuktok? Trot. Nabe tas lay papel no. Nay map. Diri mong payong tita.
Wala ko na pala itong payong.
So, asa ba? Kita mo may
Dito ko man to sa pagkikas ko get to ano.
Pero kasi naana na sila. Put.
Ay, nawala na yung gamay pa.
Bro, 100.
Dako man. 50 naman eh.
Last na guro to. Na. Stop. Pagkakita siguro nila nga naggamit ka. Gamit mo.
Advertise.
No, I like that. I like that too. Grand Palace. Lipong na haplas. Haplas kapital. Gado ka ng haplas. Mura na wag karang nata. Sana. Karang taong. Haplas kapital. Riverside Galleria. Uy. Uy, nice. Uy. Late man realization good.
Dito na may post. Hard para
Ito gani.
ang mga Trisha.
Ah. Diri oh, kanang watong background nita. Thai dress rental. Ano may dress rental? 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Zoom. Pati mong payong.
Selfie.
Na siya kasabot.
Lagi ya, picture na makatapitong. Naabot na kadayon dito ba?
Ito raraman.
Sakit na yan.
Auction. Museum.
Perfect.
Yaway.
Perfection.
Do not touch. Isa din ko niya. Explanation.
Memory house. Something.
Alex face. Ah. Weird lagi siya. 1, 2, 3. Kato ng mga butik dito. Giagyan na to ganina. Sulod, lusot-lusot
Dirita
lang.
mo exit.
Lusot-lusot. Dire? Oh, kasi naarad ko dire. Ah, sila ito.
Dito ba sila mo offer?
Patik asad. Patik asad. Saan ko tiyan? The gate.
So, ano yung sabihin natin sa yung na pinasabi?
Sir, kung dito na site meron, pero anong parang
Anong lahat?
Sinaar na sila tanan.
Floating market.
car?
เดินออกมาจากนู้นเร็ว
Ha?
Check the Thai pier. Thai pier.
What?
Thai pier. You check the tourist pier. It's expensive. You check another one pier. We pay tuk from here to the Thai pier. We pay tuk about 10 baht each. Yeah, 10 baht each. 10 baht each. Where? Take you from here to
Offer na to.
Wala.
No, we have pier here. No.
Bakit sila po yan?
Yeah. Yeah. Now where you going? Where? Where you from? Where you from? Where's going? Where you come from? Philippines.
Kani nga map.
Huwag na.
Manila.
Ah, turo.
Pacquiao hometown.
We are here
Ay mo ni si Pacquiao no? Mo ni si Pacquiao. Dili
Here
mo
you
si
see
Pacquiao.
Big Buddha
Buddha, yeah, I know Big Buddha.
standing Buddha
I know that Big Buddha.
you been there before
I've been there before.
this time
The gold.
No.
color.
last
Second
time
time here in
today now I show you this one Big Buddha open now
Okay.
you look around you pay ticket in there 40 baht for ticket
Okay.
after standing Buddha we go allow this one the king resident king home king resident
Okay.
you take a picture from outside
Okay.
and then the Thai center Thai factory Thai center Thai jewelry
Okay. Okay.
after Thai center come back sleeping Buddha
What po?
yeah you go like this one
yeah. 1
allow 2
Wow.
Go upstairs. My
ขึ้นมาแล้วนะติ๊กเกอรี่นะการติ๊กเกอรี่ในการทำงานประกาศขึ้นมาแล้วนะมีเราเดินทางกันมาแล้วจะเดินโครงการในคนที่นั่งคนที่เป็นไงนะมีทางก็จะโครงการในคนที่นั่งคนที่คนจะนั่งใครโครงการคนที่นั่งอยู่กันที่เดิมนะจะต้องลุก
ได้นะคะวันนี้
look yun.
Family tree picture. Whole family.
Solole. Basi ikaw kita. Yung mga Navy wives. Madam. Maybe wives. Nakakaya. Dito. Dito sa museum. Mura ko. Sa baba. Gusto ka sa ilalom. Close na. Oo. Sarado na ang gate ko. Punta diri kay lami kay yaka-yaka. Asa na to sila? Diri man.
Di nga maputong war.
Oh, diri man pud ang piers.
Sige lang.
Blue. Nasa laki diha. Kita mo? Oo. Maglakaw ni Tito. May bayad ya kon? Out. Mura man kana. Free entrance pero may bayad ang exit na nabuang.
Talaga sila pumasok dito?
Go home sila pag kuan katong balik dito nga port na ruta. 6:30 daw. Di ba tong diri? Pra artit man tano.